So let us discuss a problem on analog circuits. So I am Dr. Vinod. The first question is for the circuit shown below, find the exact value of R2 divided by R1, V0 and Vf given that A is 200 and AF is 5. So we know that AF is equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. Since it is a negative feedback and they have given the value of AF is 5 and A as 200. Okay. So we know that this point is Vf. So Vf is nothing but R2 R1 into V0 divided by R1 plus R2 according to the voltage divided loop. So what is Vf divided by V0 is beta, right? So I can write so multiply this one 5 plus 1000 into beta is equal to 200 by by solving I'll get beta is equal to 200 minus 5 divided by 1000, which is nothing but 0.195. So beta value must be always less than 1. Okay. So we know that beta is equal to Vf divided by V0. So I can write 0.195, that is your beta, which is nothing but Vf divided by V0 is equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2 divided by R1 is equal to 1 divided by 0.195, which is nothing but, so I can write 1 plus R2 divided by R1 is equal to 1 divided by 0.195. With the help of calculator, if you find it out, you will get the value of 1 plus R2 divided by R1. So that is nothing but 5. So it's nothing but 5.128. So from this, R2 divided by R1 is equal to 4.128. So the first A is your answer. Okay. So once if I find out the value of R2 divided by R1, you substitute it for Vf and V0 only they are asking. So if we substitute the value of so what is beta is equal to Vf by V0. Vf value is always less than value. So you have to you should not substitute beta is equal to 5 divided by 0.975. You have to substitute 0.975 divided by 5. So you get the answer as 0.195. So from this I have confirmed what is the value of Vf and V0. Or I always is substitute the value of A I have known and beta also I have known. You substitute in the first equation. AF is equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. And AF is nothing cannot by VA. Get. So does the next problem from the question 4, find the change in AF if A is decreased by 12.5%. They are given A value is 200. So and AF value is 5. Okay. So they have given have to decrease by 12.5. So 100 minus 12.5 is 87.5. So 200 into 87.5 divided by 100, you will get the answer as 175. So now the value of A is 175. So what will be the change in AF? So you substitute the value. AF is equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. So AF is equal to 175 divided by 1 plus 175 into beta value is 0.195. So you substitute, you will get the value of AF. So AF was something but 4.982. So previously AF was 5. So you subtract 5 minus 4.982 divided by 5 into 100. So you will get the answer as minus 0.355 percentage. Okay, so this is nothing but minus 0.36 percentage. So the third question is given A and beta is equal to 36 divided by S plus 2 into S plus 12. Find the gain margin and the phase margin and in degree. So in order to find the WGC, okay, so you have to make the modulus is equal to 1. So if we substitute the modulus value means you will get this answer. Okay, so you substitute the values for omega and so that such that that value should be equal to 1. So after that you have to find the phase margin by 180 degree minus tan inverse of omega divided by 2 minus tan inverse of omega divided by 12. So once if you find the value of omega GC and the substitute in this value, omega is equal to omega GC, so you can find the value of phase margin, right? So with the help of calculator, I have find out the value of omega GC. So from this I can write omega root of omega square plus 4 root of omega square plus 14 is equal to 36, right? So on taking the square of this value, I will get 36 square. By substituting the values for omega, if I substitute omega is equal to 2, I will get what I will get 4 plus 4 into 148, right? So that is equal to 1184. Okay. So if you want, you can take omega is equal to 2.15. So if you substitute 2.15, we get the closer value to 1296. So 8.6225 into 148.6235. So you will get answer as. So this is moreover closer to 1296, right? So now I can substitute on the phase margin. 180 degree minus tan inverse of 2.15 divided by 2 minus tan inverse of 2.15 divided by 12. 47.07. So if we solve this values, you get the answer as 1121 point something. So here the D is your answer. So why gain margin is infinity means here you have two poles, right? When you equate A beta is equal to 36 divided by S plus 2 into S plus 12 to 0. Denominator value to 0, you will get S is equal to minus 2 and minus 12. These two are the real poles, okay? And you don't have any zeros, which means here the gain margin is equal to infinity. That's the case. Okay.